Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, yes, how are y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. I have a PR unboxing for y'all from Colorful DIY. I had to look. Colorful DIY sent me some things. Thank you, Colorful DIY, for sending me these items for review. I'm gonna get down and to it and show y'all. I'm gonna get on like I'm getting out the car. Oh my god, you could tell I'm Cajun. I'll get on. Oh yeah, y'all. Too much. I have 3 diamond paintings, okay? From Colorful DIY. And I think I have a code. I'm not sure, but everything will be linked in the description portion of this video down below. Oh, the struggle is real to get it open, y'all. Jesus. Okay, first thing first. All their diamond paintings come with a boat, a plate of wax, and a pen. It's everything you need to get started diamond painting. So that's everything you need right here. And this is a round drill diamond painting. It's a 30 by 30 centimeter. And it has 20 colors. And look, y'all. You already know I got a barn. I ordered so many barns and Christmas trees that I got them all confused, as y'all seen in the last video. Because, you know, I'm wearing the same shirt. So I'm filming today. So y'all will see me a lot in this shirt. Okay? Okay. So, this is the photo. The diamond painting. It's a barn with some Christmas trees. Look at the little deer, y'all. I think it's a deer. Yes, is that? Yes, it is a deer. Look the deer, how cute. And the little wagon. And it has a wooden fence. It's a, I guess it's a barn house. It has a Christmas tree wreath here, a Christmas wreath here. All the snow. It does have a lot of color blocking, but the symbols are clear. The drill field is clear, y'all. Very clear, as y'all can tell. A lot of color blocking right here. The barn, it doesn't, it's a mixture of color blocking and confetti. Not too bad. It does have 20 colors, and they do have the DMC codes alongside. And this is the legend on the top left. And they have one on the bottom right. The bottom right hand side. And this is the thumbnail right here, and it's so cute. Y'all know I like farm animals and stuff, farm stuff and sea stuff and ocean stuff. The stickiness is good, as you can tell. Very good. Your drills will stay on these canvases. The canvas is pretty soft. It's not as hard as other. Sometimes they have some that are harder. It's not as hard. It's really pliable, as you can see. And like I said, it is a round drill. It's cute. Look how cute. I love it. These are the drills. I'm not going to take them out because it's a struggle to put them back. I'm going to show y'all the colors, some of the colors. I'm going to show y'all these. See, they have whites, they have reds, they have definitely a lot of whites. And pinks, reds, maroons. This is maroon. I don't know if y'all can tell, but yeah. So there's that. And like I said, it is a round drill. I'm going to show it to y'all again. Ta-da! Hello. Up close. It's so cute, y'all. I like it. I really like it. It's so cute. Go up a little bit. So cute. I have to hold this over my mouth so you can't see my mouth. I love it. So there's one. And that one, like I said, is a 30 by 30 centimeters. So it is $3.99 the last time I checked on the website, but it will be linked in the description portion of the video. Actually, all these items will be, so y'all be able to check it out on their website. This also came with a boat, a plate of wax, and a diamond painting pen. It's a one placer. All you need to get started diamond painting. Yeah, go. And this one is a 30 by 30 as well, centimeter, and I thought it was so cute. It does have 20 colors, and it's a little house, like a candy house or bakery house. It's so cute. You know I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. So it's so cute. I love it. The drill field is clear. It does have a lot of color blocking as well. And it is a 30 by 30 centimeter. This is the thumbnail. Look how cute that is. It's pink. Y'all know I had to get it. This is the legend on the top left. And they do have 20 colors. The DMC codes. All right here on the side of those symbols. Y'all, look at this, how cute it is. This is so stinking cute. They have another legend on the bottom right. And that's what it looks like. And I'm going to show y'all the stickiness. Stickiness holds, it's sticky. So, and it is a round drill, and the drills come in Ziploc baggies. All the light blue, a darker blue, like a tan, a mauve, that's a mauve, a little darker, a maroon-ish color. They have a lot of pink related colors, of course. So that's the color palette. So cute, pinks. I love it. So cute. And like I said, it's already kitted up for you in Ziploc baggies. Of course, they do have a lot of white, you know. What you would expect from this. A lot of white. So yeah, so cute. I love it. I don't like to hide my mouth, y'all. So there's that one. And that one is also $3.99 on their website. At the time I wrote the prices down. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description portion of the video. We got one more. Oh my God, if I can open it up. I always have a hard time opening this, y'all. I do. I really do. This also comes with a toolkit. It is a round drill as well. Y'all know my favorite color. So this one has 17 colors. It is a round drill. Look at this, how cute. Y'all know I'm a pink fan, okay? I love pink and purple. So cute. I thought this one was so cute. This is the thumbnail. Look how cute it is. Okay? I love it. It has the legend on the top left. It has 17 colors. The DMC codes on the side of each symbol. The drill field is clear. Y'all, look how cute. It has presents, the snowman, the ribbons, the pine cones, the Christmas tree decor, I guess that's what you call it. I don't know, but up here it has some little bling. Y'all, wish I had pink rhinestones to bling this out with. This would be so cute. I might do that. I might get some pink, I might have some pink rhinestones to bling this out. I would love to bling this out right here. Y'all, that would be so cute. I would love it. So I don't know what happened. Sorry. But yeah, look how cute the little presents are. So cute. And I'm going to show y'all I'm going to check the stickiness on it. Stickiness is good, of course. And here it is from far. I'm going to show y'all. Look, just look at it. It's so cute. And here it is close. I love it. The drill field is cute. But y'all, I think this would be so cute right here. Blinged out. I hope y'all can see that good. I have a ring light, but you know, I don't know. I don't know how to make it not shine on my glasses. So that's that, and these are the colors for it. This is the color palette. Look at that color palette, how cute. It does come in Ziploc baggies, kitted up already, if you want to use it that way. But they have whites and all different shades of pinks and peaches, and then down here they have gray, some reds, a couple of reds, and purple, blue. I'm guessing that's black. So yeah, look at that color palette, y'all. I love those colors. Those colors are so cute. I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. Love it. So this one is also a 30 by 30, like I said, and it's $3.99. So this one was $3.99 at the time I checked on their website. So y'all go check them out. Everything will be linked in the description portion of this video. So y'all go check them out. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for Colorful DIY for sending me these items to review. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Bye.